Hello everyone, welcome to Networking 212. It is our pleasure to introduce to you on how to build peer-to-peer networks and configure wireless networks as well as test the networks using Packet Tracer. Senior high school students, stop, look, and listen because we are about to begin our demonstrations later on. Without further ado, let's begin. In 3, 2, 1. Let us start with a peer-to-peer network. First thing to do is go to the network devices, especially to the switches, and pick one switch and put it in the system. Next is our end devices such as the PC. There you go. We have two pieces all in all. And then our copper straight through. Connect the PC to the switch. Same goes with the other PC to the switch. And as you can see, there is an orange color, which signifies that it is still not connected. And now let's click for the PC. Go to desktop, to the IP address, and type 192.168.1.1. And there is the subnet mask. And let's close it. Same goes with the other PC. Go to desktop, IP configuration, and give us the IP address of 192.168.1.2. The only difference here is that the fourth octet, which is 1 and 2. There, as you can see, it is also signifying that the PCs and the switch are connected. Let's give it a try with a file going from one PC to another PC. And as you can see, it is successful. Another procedure would be a command ping, pinging another IP address of the PC. As you can see, there is a reply which signifies that the PC is connected to the other PC. Let's try to another PC. Command ping, ping the IP address of the other PC, and there you go. There is a reply, which signifies that this PC is connected to another PC. That's all for peer-to-peer network. Now that you know how to build peer-to-peer network, try recreating it on your own. Now, let us build a wireless network. First, go to network devices and click the routers. Choose one router out of the selection and put it in the system. Then, the switches. Choose a switch and put it in the system. That's the switch. Last but not the least is, of course, our access point. Our end devices also, that includes our PC. There you have it. First thing to do is to click router, config fast Ethernet 0-0, and give us the IP address of 192.168.1.1, and that's the subnet mask. Don't forget also to turn on the port status. At this juncture, let us proceed to automatically choose connection type, and as you can see, it is the copper straight through. Connect the switch, the router, and the access point. As you can see, it signifies color orange, that means it is still not connected, so let us just wait for a while. Let's go to our access point, config port 1, and then set our authentication to WEP for our security. Let's give a password of 11223344 and 55. Our SSID, or what we call the name of the network, should be Javier B. That's an example. And then let's go to our PC. The first PC, or the PC2. Make sure that the PC is turned off for us to get the device and get WMP300N. Put it, and then don't forget to turn on. Go to desktop, PC wireless, for us to connect to the network. Refresh in order to find if there is a network available. And there you go, Javier B. Let's connect and use our password. Connect. As you can see, it is now connected to the access point. Let's go to the IP configuration. To desktop, set it to static for us to give us the IP address of 192.168.1.2. Let's change our default gateway to the IP address of our router, which is 192.168.1.1. Same goes to the other PC. Don't forget to turn off to get another device and switch it to WMP300N, knowing that this device will provide a wireless connection to the network. Let's go to the PC wireless, connect, and then refresh and click Javier B and put our key or the password. IP configuration, set it to static and give us the IP address of 192.168.1.3. The only difference here is the fourth octet, which is 1, 2, and 3. Make sure that the 192.168.1 is the same because this is our network. Now, to test the connectivity, let's put files from PC2 to PC3, and as you can see, it is successful. From PC3 to PC2, it is also successful. From PC2 to router, it is successful. From PC3 to router, it is successful. Now, aside from giving files to another PC, let's try the command ping, pinging the IP address of another computer. Now, as you can see, there is a reply, which signifies that this PC is connected to the other PC. Now let's try the other PC. Ping the other IP address of the PC, and there you go. There is a reply, which signifies that this PC is connected to the other PC. That is all for wireless network. And now that you know how to build wireless network, try it on your own. That concludes our demonstrations on how to build peer-to-peer network, configure wireless network, and at the same time, test the connectivity of these networks. Thank you for watching.